In this video, we will show you how to add and edit the Show Hide component. The Show Hide component creates text that reveals additional content when clicked. This is useful as it lets you reduce the length of your page by hiding some content until the visitor chooses to reveal it. To add a Show Hide component, click the Add Option button, and then under the Structure tab, click the Show Hide component. Once added, some text will show, followed by hidden content bars. The text can be edited in the same way as the text component. Click on the text and start typing. If you wish to format the text, highlight it and click the relevant buttons in the text toolbar found at the top of the page. Clicking the Add Options button on the lower bar lets you add options that are initially hidden when a visitor views the page.